Hey guys, I made these Scandinavian woven stars. For my paper, I use vellum, but regular paper is fine. I cut strips that were 3/4 of an inch by 11 inches. You need 4 strips to make one star. Fold each strip in half and crease it. For the first strip, face the opened end up. Then place the second strip around it with the open end facing left. Place the third strip around the second strip with the open end facing down. Then place the fourth strip around the third strip with the open end facing right. Bring it through the loop from the first strip and pull it tight. Take a layer from the top strip and fold it down. Fold a layer from the right strip to the left, a layer from the bottom strip up, and a layer from the left strip to the right, and bring it under the fold. To make a point, fold the top left strip backwards to the left, creating a 45-degree angle. Then fold it forwards, going down, creating a 45-degree angle. Fold and align the angles. Then cut the strip so that it's shorter than the square. And tuck in the end. Turn it to the right and repeat the steps to make another point. Fold the top left strip backwards to the left, fold it forwards going down, align the angles, cut the strip, and tuck in the end. And repeat the steps to make the rest of the points. After 4 points, turn it over and repeat the steps. I made a smaller star with 1/2 inch wide strips. You could use them as ornaments, garlands, or to decorate gifts. And here's how they turned out.